Hi, welcome back guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the radio on a 2012 Nissan Rogue. This is going to be the same procedure on Nissan Rogues from 2007 up to 2013. For this job we're going to need plastic pry bars. So if you have something like this would come in handy. And also we're going to need a cross screwdriver or Phillips. So to start this job, you'll have to first remove this climate control panel. And I'm just gonna move the shifter out of the way. So I'm gonna put it in on position, move the shifter out of the way. And now you can start prying this climate control panel. So we will have to pry it out all this on this side. So we can start from this edge here. Now we can go to the top corner. We can switch to other side and just pry it out until it pops out, just like that. Now we can move that out of the way. So that's the first step. The next step is to remove this upper plastic cover. So to pry that one out, it's the best to start from the back of it. That's how it's gonna go the easiest, and then you can work its way out all the way around until it pops out. Now once when you have that one out, we have 4 Phillips screws here that we want to remove. Once we have those screws out, we need to remove this plastic trim. That's the largest piece that goes all the way around. So we can start from the bottom. You pretty much just want to pry it out and just work its way out on the sides. Just be careful, you don't want to break or crack the plastic. Just do it gently and pry it out. Try to lift it up, try one side, other side, until you have it loose. Just like that. And now there is one cable that's holding that plastic piece, which is right there. You can see it right there. Just wanna take this one out. So to take that plug out, you'll just have to press this tab here and then pull it out. This tab right here. Now when we have all the plastics out, there is 4 more cross screws left. 2 on the top of the radio and 2 on the bottom of the radio. So we're gonna take those out as well. Now 2 on the bottom. Very important thing, don't forget to put your shifter back to parking position. My vehicle just rolled backward just a little bit. Now when all the screws are out, we can just simply pull out the radio. And we can unplug all the connectors that are going into the radio. Usually those type of connectors, the white ones, they have a little tabs on the top, so those you just wanna press in and pull out. It's a good idea to remember which plug goes where, but I believe there's only certain and one spot for each plug that can fit. Have another one on the bottom. So to unplug all the plugs, you can see here, you just press on the tab. See this tab right here, this one, and pull it out. Same on the other white one. It's the same on the gray one, blue one. This gray one has a tab that's on the side actually. And lastly, this one, I believe that's antenna. You unplug that one as well, and now you have your radio out. You can replace it with a new one. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. Please like and subscribe. Bye.